Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel and this is your April first week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You have got the Three of Stars and the Judgment card and you've got the Six of Spades and the Hangman. Sorry about that. Okay, I do see that you will have to make very big decisions in the first week of April. You might have to reassess your own thinking, reassess the entire situation as well. This is regarding a separation situation. You might have to work on that as well. If you're thinking of taking somebody back or if you're trying to, find somebody new, that is a very challenging decision for a lot of you. If you are stuck in a very negative energy by the hurt and betrayal of someone in the past, then the cards are clearly asking you to move on from it. The hangman energy here tells me that you are still in pain. You are still in hurt because that one person who you really, really loved betrayed you, they cheated on you, they lied on you, or they must have even chosen someone else but you, right? You're still carrying that pain in you, which is actually delaying all the good things in life for you. So, if you want a fresh start in your love life, you will have to move past the pain. You'll have to move past the hurt. Even if you're telling me that no, I'm all right, I'm talking to people, you're not really talking to people because you're still somewhere secretly hoping that that person comes back and that they are the one, which is not the truth. They were never the one. They hurt you. Why would you want to be with someone who has not just once hurt you but have hurt you again and again and again? You are worth much more than that, Pisces, and I really want you to move on because the cards are saying it is time for acceptance. It is time that you accept that that has happened, that you were not the chosen one for them. But there is something better, someone better who will treat you better waiting for you just around the corner. You just need to look, okay? You just need to instead of looking away, you need to look forward. The moment you do that, you will see that a new person who will treat you much better, will give you a lot of love, and equal love and take will be there, is waiting for you. And I know somewhere that you want to share that love with someone, right? I know that you want to give love. You are a generous person, but you don't have anyone right now. Please stop being in that stuck negative energy and move on because a better person is waiting for you. Talking about your career, again, you'll have to make very big, important decisions. You'll have to, make decisions where you want to stay in your current job or change your job, or if even if that's a promotion possibility that you're getting, or you want to start another business, right? You will have to basically reassess everything. If that job is giving me more money, is it giving me more satisfaction? If the business is not giving me enough returns, should I do something else? All those reassessing things, the major decisions that you do, has to be taken in the first week of April. So it's going to be crucial for you. I also see that if you want returns in your work, business, money wise, then you will have to give your 100%. The judgment card here also talks about the fact that you are going to get the result of whatever you give out, which means if you give 100%, you are going to get a 100% result. And if you're going to give a 10% effort, you're going to get only a 10% result. So it all depends on you. I know it's a very heavy burden for us to carry when someone tells us that your life depends on you, but it is going to be that kind of week for you. Yes, important, heavy, heavy with burden, a lot of responsibility, but it is for you and you, my dears, to carry alone. I'm always there to help you. If you have any questions, if you want any rituals to be booked, you can always contact me, but try to stay positive and try to think before making a decision. If you want any help, if you're stuck in any decision, please book a personal reading with me. If you feel blocked in any area of your life, or if you want to manifest something, please book a blockage removal ritual or a Bailey's ritual. March 29th, 30th and 31st are the powerful time to start rituals, so book it now. The slots are limited. Email me at asasharma842@gmail.com. It's mentioned in my bio as well, or Instagram DM me as well. My charges are very cheap. The Instagram handle is the Moksha Tarot. Please also follow me on Instagram because I post all these details, the new services, what is happening in the sky, when is the perfect time for rituals, those nitty gritties of what you want to know. there as well. So please follow me, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.